everyone, it's Eric GameSpace here one more time, and today we're going to be taking a look at something slightly different. Normally you can expect keyboards and headsets from us, but today we've decided there might be something different that you want to have a look at. This is the Moto G200. Whilst the rest of us might have invested in high-spec gaming phones with 12GB of RAM and a near £1,000 or equivalent dollar way out, the G200 is a very different sort of smartphone. It comes in around $400 or £400 depending on where you get it from, and right now that generally means the Lenovo website or the Moto website itself. It comes packed with as many as 8GB of DDR5 RAM, 128GB of space in the blower, and the big kicker, this comes with Snapdragon 888 Plus inside. Not only does it give you 5G connectivity, but it gives you the sort of horsepower you wouldn't have seen even in the Lenovo Duet 2, if that's the right name. Let's go ahead and get the G200 unboxed and see if this mid-range to budget handset can blow away the flagship phones that it's coming up against. So here we've got the Moto G200 on the desk, and we're going to get it open at the moment. As you can see, it comes in a fairly standard box, and it's not exactly going to be particularly difficult to get out. We've already taken off the seal just to make things easier to get into, and let's get this out now. As you can see, it already comes pre-sleeved, so if you don't want to get a case, you don't have to do anything. Let's get that off, because that's well, you get what you pay for, and it is free. Also comes in with a screen protector and looks like it's nice and pre-charged. This appears to be probably Gorilla Glass on the front, as well as a very plastic back. You'd almost think that this had a screen protector on it as it stands. That is incredibly plastic. Let's put that to one side for now. We're going to take a look in the box. So, alongside the phone, we get an instruction manual. I'm sure you'll be able to find that online. We get a charger, which comes in at 33 watts. It's not the most powerful charger in the world, but still decent enough if you've got some time to sit down, as well as cables. So that's a USB-A to USB-C cable. Once again, if you've got a USB-C charger, then you might want to go ahead and get another cable. Again, one of those minor corners that you're going to see cut in a mid-range phone. So let's get the box out of the way. As for the phone itself, as I've said, this is probably a glass screen on the front. We've got a very plastic back as it is, with 3 cameras. One of those is the main 108 megapixel shooter, along with additional cameras to give you, I believe, wide angle and depth perception, as well as the flash. We'll find that with all Motorola phones, we've got the fingerprint sensor on the power button on the right hand side here, as well as the Google Assistant button on the left hand side, which honestly I just tend to ignore most of the time. The phone itself comes in both blue and I believe a silver colour, so you've got 2 options as it is. Both of those are available on the Lenovo and Motorola website. As for setup and configuration, we'll go through that further and find out if it's any good.